2 gentle moves to ease your back pain and tone your muscles. Women's backs are overworked and underappreciated. Between kids, purses, and everything else we lug, it's no wonder 80% of us have aches. Show your back a little love with these simple exercises. Do 3 sets of each move daily to strengthen your back and surrounding muscles so you'll look firmer, feel stronger, and notice more definition in as little as 3 weeks. Tone your core and say goodbye to baggy shirts when you try Prevention's Ultimate Flat Belly DVD. Raised kicks. Begin face down on mat with legs extended, feet flexed, hands under forehead and elbows bent to sides. Lift upper body and bend right knee to 90 degrees, pointing toes. Pulse lifted leg gently, squeezing glutes to kick foot toward butt twice. Lower and switch legs. Continue, alternating legs to complete 6 to 8 reps. Make it easier, prop upper body up on forearms, hips on floor, as you bend knee and pulse foot toward butt. Make it harder, get into plank position, hips lifted and body supported on forearms and toes, forming a straight line from head to heels. Abs tight, bend right knee, pointing toe toward ceiling, then pulse and lower leg. Repeat, switching sides. Swimming, lie face down, arms extended to front, legs extended behind. Inhale, simultaneously lifting arms and legs. Exhale, and clap by moving hands and feet together and apart, engaging abs to stabilize torso. Continue to clap for 6 to 8 beats, then lower. Make it easier keeping arms straight, press palms into floor, fingers forward, and lift legs only. Make it harder, switch the motions, bend elbows as if you're doing a breaststroke, push hands forward, out to sides, and back in, and bend knees, touching heels together and apart.